Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna play Don't Press the Button number 4.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
what's up first about this? Where's the green on the sky? Oh, no. You can just stand on the side.
No, but look, they go on the side too.
And they can... Oh, a massive one. I think everybody died. Yeah. Oh, yes. A lot of coins. Wait, are you gonna buy stuff?
I might. Hold on.
That you can troll?
Spin.
People can you troll?
No.
With the... You're so close to the sword. Don't buy snack. It's a waste of money.
Oh, Shift lock.
Stand clear of the fires. Avoid the fires, or you die. Okay. It's super hard because you're screen. Wait, who wrong? Oh, you do me. I forgot my pencil. Shut the fire or explode.
Okay.
It makes to like wash your hands or something. Or like wipe it on the hands or something. You know that you can look at the dishes.
No. Dun, dun. What?
How do you know it's that color?
Because it says up there.
Oh.
Okay. Why is it? Oh my god. No. It's recording. Yeah, it's recording. By now? No, I heard that. Oh man.
You have to go behind the barriers.
Okay. Oh my god, it's not moving. Okay, almost there. Let's go.
You're there.
Yes, we won.
You won.
Oh, I'm blue.
You didn't win?
No, I did win. You won. Okay.
doing that?
Okay. Ah! Ah! Void phone call. Oh, it's phone's to me.
Go. Gonna fall.
You can't jump.
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh. Uh, no! Okay, click it. Enter the castle. And we're gonna enter the castle. Enter the castle.
Which to the end. Oh. He died.
Did you expect that?
Yep, it's gonna go down.
No.
And then gonna rise up. And then go. Okay, wait. Wait. We go down. And then go up.
Is it mobile or PC? Mobile or PC?
PC.
Me too. Oh, there's a guy? How? Okay,
Wait,
nah,
did you
I
just
quit.
get jump scared?
I quit.
I think you just got jump scared in the lava.
No. It just fell in the void.
Like the water's not, like, the water's lava now. It should be water. I'm heating up. And that one's heating up. The baking is so dead. How do you do that?
Okay, so that will be the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed and bye.